Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge X40 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down just a bit to access notifications. Now tap on App Settings and select Most Recent. Then tap on the best option for you, in my case All Apps. Now just click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications, like Calendar. You can switch them back on the same way. If you wish to, you can also just click on one of your apps on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!